Hi everyone, Kevin from Sticks and Stones back. How's everybody doing? I figured I'd throw a quick video out, another drawing video, so you guys can improve your wood spirits along with me. I'm always trying to think of new and crazy characters. The last one came out pretty cool, so I think we'll do another one. This video, though, is just going to be about the drawing and a concept I want to show you guys. It's kind of late, so I'm just going to put the drawing video on right now, and we'll carve another character later on this week coming up. But today what I want to talk about is beards, right? I know I showed you a couple different ways. We're going to do more eyes and expressions too, and this is another part of the expressions thing and how to actually make your wood spirit pop just a little different than what you usually carve, you know? So hopefully this will give you a couple ideas and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to come up with a character, and what I can do is show you how I use this technique on a wood spirit at the end of the video. I'll post a picture of actually how I did this on a wood carving. But today, again, we're not going to make a carving. Like I said, just the drawing. So we're going to come back up to our paper here like we always do, and I'm going to separate two eyebrows right in the beginning. So first I'm going to draw two lines, so like that, so I know about how far apart I want them, all right? And then we're going to slant some eyebrows down. Just like that. Okay. And we can bring these over as far as we want. I'm going to try not to make them too big, but big enough so you guys can see them, right? And we're going to bring the nose down from there. Right. I'm just going to come down pretty straight. And then on this one, we're going out, making them pretty wide. Over here, make a little ball. Do the same thing here. Kind of come down, making a little wider as you go down, not too much. Come over here and then hook those up in. These actually hook underneath, right? And that's where his nostrils will be. My hand in the way, or can you guys see? Okay. So that's how we're going to start this one. So let's put some eyebrows in. Try to keep my hand out of the way for you. All right. He's got some nice baggy ones. We're going to come over here and we're going to go up and under a little bit that eyebrow with a line like that, a line like that. This one right here, we're going to do a line like that and a line like that. All right. And we'll attach it here in the corner. Attach it here in the corner. I'm actually making corners for these eyes. And we'll come across. And come across. All right. At the top here, we'll give him a pupil. Right there. That ought to do it. And we'll give him, of course, a bag for character. A couple little wrinkles under it and some crow's feet on the side. Just a couple lines there. A couple there. Starting to come alive already. All right. Now, once we got that pretty much figured out, let's go up here and we're going to come down a little bit to frame his face with a line here. We're going to do another line over here, just like that. All right. Now the mustache, we'll give him a pretty long one. So we're just going to bring it down. And I'm going to split the mustache. Right here's one part. Right here's another part. Okay. Then we're going to bring that up. Make it pretty thick. Do the same on this side. We're going to bring it down. Give it one part, give it another part. Just little things like that, all right? Give him a whole different look, okay? Now we're going to give him a pretty big fat lip, just like that, and very small shadow up here because we want that lip to be fat in this one, I guess. So I'll change that up too, all right? Bring the cheeks in a little over on the sides. And up here, we'll start with some lines like this. 1, 2. I'm going to bring this one all the way over. Okay. And we'll just draw a couple lines there. That's going to start his hair. Now, on the sides in here, we're going to start adding lines like this. But these are going to get undercut all the way around. All right. They're going to go all the way around. And we're going to turn that into beard. I'm going to bring them all the way down here to the mustache. They can end up wherever they are on your particular carving though, okay? I'm going to draw a line up here to signify the top of the wood. Say this would be a piece of cottonwood bark or something, okay? And that's going to be the top where we cut out his hair, okay? All right, now on the sides here, what we're going to do is we're going to take this line and go all the way around. And when you were carving, you would carve right around the back of this, okay? So it will end up looking like this. Okay. You would cut those pieces out right around the back with your tool. Boop, boop, wrap right around it. All right. On this side over here, we're going to do the same thing. Once we come down and we have our basic hair here. Okay. Over here, we're going to do the same thing. We'll give them, you know, a little line here. And we'll do the same thing. We'll just a different way to do hair and make him look a little more interesting once he's carved. All right, I'm not even going to bring that one all the way down because what I'm going to do down here is we're going to split up the beard. All right, same thing. Instead of just, you know, drawing lines like we draw lines. Okay, I know we all do that. All right. What I'm going to do on this one is I'm going to come up here under his lip. I'm going to attach a piece of hair, bring it down. Do the same here. You can even give it a little curl if you want. All right. That's not much of a curl there, is it? Hold on. Let's change that. I don't like that. I'm trying to draw at an angle like always, so. But we'll just give it a little twist. All right. Now the same from here. Right from there, I'm going to make another piece of hair. And I'm going to bring that up into here. Then over here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to bring this down. This can be pointy or it could be kind of round, however you want. All right. And then from there, we just keep doing that. Okay. All the way down. Any way you want to separate them. And we would undercut here and then put this one right underneath that one. You undercut this line here, you put this piece underneath that one. And so on until you have your basic wood spirit. Same thing with these. Go around the back, around the sides of your carving, okay? Let it all blend together. And now you have a whole new wood spirit, okay? Really different look. It really does make a difference when you just change little things up like that. And that's all I'm trying to get you to do. You don't have to do this particular thing or any particular technique. It's the idea. Trying to get you to kind of break out of the mold, break out of the box, and experiment with these guys and start having a lot of fun. You know, they can really be different. You give him, you know, whatever kind of lines you want here. I've even done this technique on the beards, all right, and made them look, you know, pretty interesting, all right. And the more lines and everything we put around and the way we carve him, once we get depth in there and everything, is going to make a big, big difference, all right. So this right here is going to be a beard tutorial, I guess it would be, or hair, all right. Trying to darken him in. Darken him in. Can you tell it's late? Darken him in so you can see. But that's all it is. And then I would put my hairlines, you know, my V-tool marks or whatever in his hair. However I want to do it, you know, all the way around him. Okay, now we're going to do this technique in a wood spirit. I like to change things up. Like I said, we're trying to get our wood spirits to not look related when we do them. And we're trying to improve everything. Okay, so hopefully this little video gave you a nugget that you can play with. And we drew another face. It's going to be a short and sweet one. Something to put on for you guys to keep you interested in learning. Until I load some of the bigger ones. And let me know what you think. That'll give you another idea. No matter what I do, I cannot keep my fingernails clean. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just going to have to cut them. I keep getting dirt and everything up underneath them. I am a clean guy, trust me. Right? I just can't keep my fingers and my hands clean. Okay. So hopefully this helped. This would be bark or a stick or whatever you want. Try it out. Let me know what you think. Another thing too I want to mention while I'm here. Wood carving helpers. All right. Check them out on Facebook. Whoops. Helpers. Sorry. That's an E. Wood carving helpers. Start a Facebook group there. I want you guys to be able to go post the pictures. I want to see what you're making. I want people to come in who have good tutorials and put a tutorial on now and then. I want to build a community there. I want to be able to help you out, grow your YouTube channel. You can put links on if you want, but only to a certain extent. It's not all about self-promotion. It's about helping other carvers. If you got a tutorial that's going to help the community, I want you to be able to come. You can put it up. I can pre-approve it. You know, I'll check it out. If I think it's going to help the community, I'll definitely approve it. You know, just don't post anything you want there. Make sure I know first. But if it's going to be helpful to these people, I'm all about it. I let people go to your link, go to your channel. We'll shout you out. Anything that can help anybody carve, that's what it's all about. That's what that group's about. I want you to come in, check it out, have a ball. Go here on Facebook, Wood Carving Helpers. Let's grow the community there. I think we have about 77 members. I just started it a little while ago. But, yeah, come in, show me your pictures. That way we can communicate all the time. And we can figure out better ways to grow the channel here, too. Make sure you check out everybody. We're growing a big community on YouTube now. There's a lot of carvers. Like I say, I always give them shout-outs. You got Jordy over there at Carve Infusion. You got Just Carve Rob. You got Bap at I Can Carve, and that's I-K-A-N Carve, okay? Lots of good people. I'd like to start. Maybe I'll make a sign and I'll put them all here. So, because anybody you can go to that's going to help give you some more information, especially if you're a beginner, we can all learn to be better artists, you know, and grow a big community and everybody can have fun. I'm sure that between everybody's channels, you guys got to be able to learn wood carving. And that's what we're all here for. So any of them guys will help you out in a minute. They're a bunch of good guys. So let me know how you think about this guy. We'll do some more. If you have a drawing tutorial you want to do, you got an idea, definitely shoot me a buzz. Go over to Wood Carving Helpers. Give me a hint. I'll be glad to make a video for you. Okay? Got some more videos coming up this week. Keep an eye out for them. Thanks for supporting the channel, and I'll see everybody later. Go try them out. This will be the result that you should get when using this technique. This is one that I did, this technique. So try it out, see if it helps. Christmas stuff's coming. Bye-bye now.